Libra season is here. Get into that. Get into that. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hurela Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now for today's video, I will be trying to set my curls and thicken up my hair. So if you want to see how I do that, make sure you stay tuned. Before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Staying inside in my bed.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hurela Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and style this unit together. Let me take off my little band here. All right, I don't think I'm gonna glue anything down. This looks pretty decent with the mousse. Nope, not gluing nothing down. It was all a lie. But I do need to back up a little bit. I was gonna say I was gonna put some layers in it, but it already kind of comes with a little bit of layers. I just may need to trim it a little bit. So we'll see once I get into, you know, the curling portion of this video. First, let me straighten the top because it's a little bumpy. Okay. I love this little thing. I love this little hot comb flat iron situation. Straightens this hair on out. It gets it done quickly. Y'all see the before, kind of humpy, okay? And now you see the after. Get this now. I think I'm going to trim some of the ends. Maybe I should put my glasses on first to make sure I'm doing this correctly. I mean, they're actually not horrible. Try to put a little bump on the ends here. Bring it forward like this. Okay. How do I want to style this wig? So I think I'm gonna do like a little up style like this. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up into a ponytail. Ponytail. It's a little crooked.
I can fix it.
Pull that way. There we go. So I'm not gonna glue it down. I don't think I need to glue this down. Let me cover up the band. Wrap that around. this unit was very easy to install and style. It already comes with the layers as you see right here on the screen. However, I wanted to change mine up and do a half up, half down just to see if this hair could curl and hold a curl. Now you did see in my install that I used my Got to Be Free spray before I put some curls in this unit, and they're actually still holding after about 45 minutes. So this hair can be curled with the right products. Y'all know from other videos I just be curling and going. I don't be setting nothing, okay? So so I'm trying to learn from my mistakes. On the site it does say this is the 33B/ginger color. It's definitely giving me that Auburn color, you know, that everybody's kind of doing right now. So you know, I'm here for that. It is a straight texture. So again, I am touching on every single texture for this color. Curly, water wave, kinky straight, body wave, and now straight. Okay, yeah, I'm collecting them all like Pokemon. Am I? Okay, thank you. This hair is pretty much, you know, just given, put it on, style it, and go. So there's nothing crazy about this wig. It's definitely giving a little bit of spice, just enough, okay, for the fall. Fall is here. Libra season is here. I got it tatted on my chest. So yeah, we here to slay, okay? Get into that. Get into that. I just wish it had a little bit more, you know, it was a little bit more thick, okay? I need a little bit more density in my wigs, especially for my half up, half down. Because, you know, I got a big head. And thin hair and big heads, they don't mix. It's a double They don't go together. Hold up. But that hairspray definitely helped me out just a little bit. Kind of zhuzh up my curls. I don't even know what that means. Why am I saying that? I just wish it was a little bit thicker. Now, I don't know what kind of lace that is, but you know, whatever it is, it's nice. Okay, it melted down really well. Even before I sprayed it down, when I just had the mousse on it, it was still melted down. So you see it. The hairline is looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. Y'all know I don't do ball caps. Okay, I don't do all that work. For what? I'm still giving the looks. Okay, ain't nothing changing. So I'm not gonna do that. Y'all did see me spray mine down because, you know, it was kind of slipping back with this ponytail, and I wanted to make sure mine was secure. So I did a little tap around the hairline, and we good to go. I didn't do no baby hairs, but if I wanted to, I could. Okay, thank you. I don't know why I'm sitting kind of weird. I would say this is looking pretty cute. It does come with a chemical smell, so you will want to wash your unit. You guys saw my lazy self just go ahead and spray it down with dry shampoo, because, you know. But yeah, I'm just, hold up. My chin is not giving me, chisel, because the way my appetite is set up. So what are we thinking? It's giving, I'm still cute. I like the look. Okay, the look is simple. Who doesn't like a half up, half down? It looks good on everyone. Don't at me. I said what I said. I'll be 60 years old still rocking a half up, half down. Why? Because I can. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hurela Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.